My name is Ahmed Khalid. I recently graduated from UET as an electrical engineer.
Hi, my name is Usman.
Currently, I'm working at RoboKids Pakistan, which purpose is to inspire students with STEM education and with robotics as well. I'm working here as a machine learning engineer and a STEM education trainer.
Currently, I am working in HR department of MCO IT system as an assistant HR manager. The way they teach their students कि किस तरह वो जो आपकी इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स जो वीक होती हैं, जो कि हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी इन चीज़ों पर फोकस नहीं करती, उन स्किल्स को वहाँ पे आपको बताया जाता है कि किस तरह इंप्रूव किया जाना, डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज़ में, डिफरेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स में, डिफरेंट असाइनमेंट में आपको इन्वॉल्व करके.
They basically make you perfect for the professional grooming and soft skills, which are essential part of your professional life. So after knowing these things, I decided to go there.
एक्चुअली मुझे जो प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था इंटरव्यू में किस तरह रिप्रेजेंट करना है अपने आप को, एंड मैं वहाँ पे लैक कर रहा था कि किस तरह इंटरव्यू के क्वेश्चन को रिस्पॉन्ड करना है, तो इस प्रोग्राम से मुझे हेल्प आउट मिला.
I was facing so many challenges. It helped me to be proactive. Also taught me how the emotional intelligence is important in the professional life, and also how to be a good team player and how to give a constructive feedback to others.
I learned how to work in a team, leadership skills, communication skills, negotiation skills. These are the skills that I had learned from this program.
The key learnings that it made me more organized, it made me more comfortable in professional life as well as social gathering, and also it made me able to handle the stress and pressure.